Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the INDATA project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today we're going to talk about our online equipment loan program. If you live in the state of Indiana, you can borrow assistive technology devices from the INDATA project, try them for up to 30 days to find out if this device would really be good for you or not, something that would be useful. So come with me onto the computer screen. I'm going to show you how to use our website to create an account, browse to see what items are there, and go ahead and request that loan. Here we go. Okay, so here we are on the computer. Now let's say you live in the state of Indiana and you're interested in borrowing some equipment from our equipment loan library. What you do is you direct your web browser to eastersealstech.com. When you get to our website, you're going to see in the very first column there's a link, the very first link, that says Equipment Loan Library. When you click on that, it takes to a page here that kind of gives you a description of what is available. There's a link here that talks about how to utilize the system. So if you want to read these instructions as opposed to watching this video, you can go here and you can learn all about how to set up an account and do the things I'm about to show you how to do. Or if you want, you can click right here on the loan library and go on into the website. Now you'll notice there's a welcome screen here and there's a place to sign up for an account. You're going to want to sign up for an account if you want to borrow anything. You can browse without having an account, but if you want to borrow, you want to set up a new account. So you click on the Request a New Account link. You go ahead and fill out all these different items here. Some are required, some are not. Tell us a little bit about you, agree to our terms, click on Create an Account, and then that's going to send you an email to tell you about how to take your next steps. Now once your account is set up, you want to go ahead and sign in. Now I'm going to sign in here and let you see how this works. There are a couple of ways to search for items once you're signed in. You can click here on the Categories drop down and choose different kinds of devices. So let's say we choose Activities of Daily Living. Once we click on that and click Search, it'll take us to a listing of equipment that's available in the area of Activities of Daily Living. And as we look down through here, the first things we find are a number of handheld magnifiers and then some communication devices. So let's say I want to borrow this 10 times Besser LED magnifier. I can click on this link here to learn more about it. I can scroll down and learn all kinds of things about it. Or I can bookmark the item or request a loan. If I'm going to request multiple items, I want to bookmark them. If I just want to request one, I go ahead and click on Request Loan. And what I do then is I read down through here and it will ask me, why do you want to borrow this? Well, I tell it whether I'm going to use it to assist in decision making, a loaner device, or those kind of things, and submit a loan request. At that point, I'll get an email letting me know that that loan request has been made, and then the folks at INDATA project will be getting back in touch with you to talk about next steps. How do we get that equipment to you? Now let's say you're looking for a particular device. We'll go back to our main screen here. Let's say that you know you're looking for a Besser magnifier. You can click in this item search box and then click the search button. It'll take you to a list of all the devices in our loan library that have that term in it. So here, for example, is a list of all the Besser magnifiers. And again, you can either bookmark those items or you can click on each one to read about it. And it's important to know that when you get to each item, there's a description. It tells you what these devices are, gives you a link to the manufacturer's website, gives you information about what these items cost so that you can make good informed decisions. So if you live in Indiana and would like to borrow assistive technology, that's how you do it. If you live in a different state, check out the website along the bottom of your screen for a listing of a project that may just offer some of the same services in your state that we offer here in Indiana. So that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the INDATA project in Indiana.